Number 47, assess your writing process. Some years ago, I decided that I wanted to experiment with a new revision process. I was going to write a paragraph and then immediately go back and revise it. Boy, did that not work for me. I found that taking off my creative person hat and putting on my analytical editor's hat really slowed me down and annoyed the heck out of me. So I stopped doing it. And that's the beauty with trying things, is you never know what's going to work for you, but if you don't try it, how are you going to know? And if it doesn't work, so what? I now found that it's much better for me to write a first draft. That's my writing process. What's yours? Here's the prompt. I invite you to complete this sentence. There's actually 2 sentences. First, my writing process strengths are, for me, it's writing a first draft. Second sentence, when it comes to process issues, I can improve I can improve a lot of things. When it comes to me, what I try to improve is not belaboring something in the draft. That's why I invented my XXX method. I know there's a word here, or this phrasing is so messed up and I hate it, but I can't think what I should do to fix it. And what do? I type XXX because those 3 letters never appear in any English word. So I know I can always do a search for XXX and come back to it. And all it tells me is there's something here I wasn't happy with. So it is, for me, liberating, and it allows me to maintain that forward momentum. How about you? What are you good at with your writing process? What do you wish you were better at? And have you come up with any strategies to work with it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I read all the comments below, but even better, make a little video, upload it using the hashtag BeatTheBotsBook, and don't forget to tag me too so I can amplify your voice. Share it with my wonderful and growing writing community because your voice matters. You matter. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I hope you take a look at the book. 12 creativity tactics, science-based, researched, proven to help writers find the stories that are in them. I know you can do it.